Okay, beta. So this is a question. Sodium carbonate solution reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. The equation for the reaction is shown, right? Excess sodium carbonate is added to this much volume and this much concentration of hydrochloric acid. What volume of carbon dioxide is made? Now, let me know, girls. Will you try this question by yourself, Ania, Tuba, and Ambreen? Try करोगे बच्चों? ठीक है? Just follow the steps, right? Calculate moles. आसान हो गई. Moles. Apply stoichiometry. And then whatever is required. Take your time. Okay. Do let me know if you have any problem. Moles of required quantity. अच्छा girls, इसमें when you will calculate volume ना, फिर volume they have asked in centimeter cube. So you need to, in the end, you will multiply that volume of decimeter cube by 1000. Okay. Make sure when you will calculate moles of hydrochloric acid, do not forget to divide it by 1000 to convert this into decimeter cube, right?
Is the answer D?
Okay. What
Wait,
about rest of you?
1 second.
Okay. Just make sure, Anya, that you must have used the correct, stoichiometry beta.
Yeah.
Mm. Tuba Ambreen, are you able to solve it? Or should I help?
I'm able to solve.
Okay, great.
Incorrect.
We might have got 1 to 10 raised to power minus 3 moles of HCl. Then people must have applied this stoichiometry as 2:1. So 10 raised to power minus 3 will give us X moles. Do cross multiplication. So you must have divide this by 2 to get moles of carbon dioxide, right? Because moles of carbon dioxide could have been 5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Right? Once you got the moles of carbon dioxide, you just have to multiply by 24,000 centimeter cube because they just want the answer in centimeter cube, right? So it depends. Either you just multiply 24, then multiply further by 1000, or you could just multiply directly by 24,000. So we'll get the answer in centimeter cube, right? Yeah, Tuba, Amreen, Ania, did you get the same video?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. Sure. Good job. Yeah. So, next one. Now, whenever it is solving the kind of most questions are going to be done in that way. Let's do this one that's going to be good that we got paper 4 question, right? Now, see, calcium chloride can be made by reacting calcium carbonate with hydrochloric acid. Okay, so this is an equation. An excess of calcium carbonate was added to 50 centimeter cube. We keep on, specifying that's going to be volume and that's going to be the concentration moles, okay, of hydrochloric acid. Now, see, volume and concentration of hydrochloric acid is given. So, means we can easily find out its moles, okay? The solution was filtered to remove excess of calcium carbonate. How many moles of hydrochloric acid were used in this reaction? Should I wait for your response, girls? Will you calculate moles of hydrochloric acid?
Yeah.
Okay. Do let me know the moles, okay? Do not forget to convert volume and decimeter cubes. So,
Is it 0.025 moles?
yeah, so we'll get 0.025 moles, right? Excellent. All right, Tuba and Amreen, you also got the same BT?
Yes.
Okay. So now these are
Yes.
moles of HCl, Shabash, right? Now let's see. Deduce the number of moles of carbon dioxide made in this reaction. What you will do, Bachu?
Stoichiometry?
Very nice. Stoichiometry, right? What is the stoichiometry of hydrochloric acid and carbon dioxide is?
2 is
Very
to
good.
1.
So, beta 2 moles of hydrochloric acid gives 1 mole of carbon dioxide from the equation. So, 0.025 will give us X moles, right? To cross multiplication, simply divide this 0.025 by 2.
0.0125.
It's 0.013. Did you get it?
Yes.
Once you got the moles of carbon dioxide, how will you find out mass of carbon dioxide?
Hmm. Moles equals mass by MR.
Yeah, moles is equals to grade. Mass in grams upon MR. So how do you find out mass? Multiply moles by
Moles by
MR,
MR.
right? So what are moles goes? 0.0125, okay? Or carbon dioxide ka MR. Let's find out. It's going to be 44, but let's do it together. 12 plus 16 into 2, so that will be 24. See? So
0.55 grams.
you get 0.55. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes.
How do you find out volume and decimeter cube of carbon dioxide at room temperature and pressure? Right, we got the moles of carbon dioxide, Viti. What should we do?
Moles equals volume divided by 24 decimeter cube.
Volume and decimeter cube upon 24 decimeter. Great. Okay? Tuba and Breen, are you with us? Are you getting it?
Yes.
So, yeah. So, Viti, when you have to calculate volume, so what you will do, we'll multiply moles, not mass. So, moles for 0.0125, so we will multiply by 24. Okay? So 0.025.
0.3.
ठीक है. If they would have asked us to calculate volume in centimeter cube, so what could have been the answer?
Multiply by 1000.
Very good. Multiply by 1000, so that could be 300
300.
centimeter. Great. Is that clear for all of you?
Yes.
Hmm. That I guess I think I gave you the homework. Did you try this question, girls? Considering more percentage of following steps, I think something is missing in this question, like the incomplete question, and because yeah, concentration is not given. Oh, we could do this part. Let's do this one. Let's like we also have to do the practice to calculate the concentration in gram per decimeter cube, right? So देखो, like whenever you have to convert concentration in gram per decimeter cube, what do? Whatever is the concentration in mole per decimeter cube, now just multiply by mR. ठीक है? Like, let me just give you the example on whiteboard first, फिर हम इसको करते हैं. Like, बच्चों, I'm saying that just the concentration of sulfuric acid in mole per decimeter cube is 0.05 mole per decimeter cube. ठीक है? So, concentration of sulfuric acid, take a whiteboard पे do it right. Try again. Concentration of sulfuric acid in mole per decimeter cube is 0.05. ठीक है? Calculate in gram per decimeter cube. Calculate concentration in gram per decimeter cube. ठीक है बेटे? Like we just do that moles is equals to mass in grams upon mR. So mass in gram is equals to moles into mR. ठीक है? So what you will do, whatever is a concentration given in mole per decimeter cube now, we will just multiply by mR of sulfuric acid. और कुछ नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है? So calculate mR of sulfuric acid. To find out the mR of sulfuric acid, girls. Sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16, and hydrogen is 1. Okay, so what would be mR of sulfuric acid? Hmm.
98.
Yeah, it's 98. So 2 plus 32 plus 64. 16 to 4 is 64. So it comes to be 98. Okay. So what you will do, bete, we will simply multiply the concentration which is given in mole per decimeter cube by 98. Okay. So 0.05 is concentration in mole per decimeter cube. We will multiply by mR of sulfuric acid, that is 98. तो हमारे पास concentration आ जाएगी in gram per decimeter cube, right? So 0.05 into 98, we'll get 4.9
4.9.
gram per decimeter cube. Is that clear, girls? Anya, Tuba, Amreen? ठीक है? So to convert the concentration in mole per decimeter cube into gram per decimeter cube, just simply multiply the concentration by mR of the compound. ठीक है? So according to that, let's do this question now. ठीक है? That is, see, the concentration, calculate the concentration 0.0400 mole per decimeter cube of sodium hydroxide in gram per decimeter cube. ठीक है? Why there are two marking points? You need to calculate mR of sodium hydroxide का 1 mark होगा. ठीक है? So we just calculated now, that was 40. So, but let's do it together. Sodium is 23 plus oxygen is 16 plus 1. So it will be 40. ठीक है? So concentration is equals to 0.0400 mole per decimeter cube वाली into right? So 1 mark will be for our final answer. So 0.0400 multiplied by 40, we will get
1.6.
1.6 gram per centimeter. Right, girls? Is that clear? Amreen Tuba, did you understand? अच्छा बाकी हमारे पास we are left with percentage yield, limiting reagent, excess reagent, ठीक है, and also empirical and molecular formula. That's very easy and percentage by mass, ठीक है. So still we will have more lessons for moles question, ठीक है. Do one thing, बच्चों, try to solve the questions which are marked with steric, ठीक है. Is it okay? I will also send one more question regarding concentration, which is not, given in the worksheet. Okay. So you could also do that.